Paraphrasing. To talk about something without quoting a specific author or a speaker, we should do so using our own words. It is a way not to fall into plagiarism or to use another person's words as our own. To paraphrase, it is fundamental to understand a message clearly, or else our version of an original message is not true. We should not use words from the original idea or message, and we should match it with the original talk or message. Okay, 1. Look at the original. 2. See if you comprehend. If you understand it, you can paraphrase it. If not, you cannot, because you don't understand the message. 2. Look for synonyms or antonyms to help you say what you want. Be careful, because a misused term can lead to confusion. The essential intention is to use pragmatic competence. Use online synonym dictionaries or iOS or Android applications. 3. Compare what you want to say with the original to see if they mean the same. If they do, you have succeeded. If not, try again until you do so. Let's see. Tom Wilson is a mechanical engineer. Tom Wilson studied mechanical engineering. As you can see with this statement, I do not say he's a mechanical engineer. I simply say that he studied mechanical engineering, but I never said he graduated. However, if I say Tom majored in mechanical engineering, I'm saying that he is a mechanical engineer. Medellin is considered the business capital of Colombia. Many people consider Medellin the most important business city in Colombia. So when paraphrasing, obviously, proper names are not paraphrased. However, in this case, I could say, many people consider the city of Eternal Spring the most important business city in Colombia. Nevertheless, it will be ambiguous if I do not know the name of the city of Eternal Spring. Paraphrasing can never use direct quotations, reported speech, or indirect speech. Direct quotations repeat exactly. For instance, Tom said, I have a PhD in business. This is a direct quotation. If I paraphrase this, I can say, Tom told someone he held a doctor's degree in trade. Reported speech repeats going back in time. He said he had a PhD in business. This is reported speech. If I paraphrase this, I can say, Tom said he had finished his doctoral degree in commerce. And I didn't know Tom said he had a PhD in business. This is indirect speech. If I paraphrase this, I can say, I had no idea Tom had mentioned he had gotten a doctor's degree in trade.